Before you start loving on your new home, don't make the rookie mistake most first-time homebuyers do, missing key maintenance steps to save you thousands and endless headaches. Let's make sure that your Silicon Valley home stays the dream investment that you worked so hard for. You guys know I'm Shannon Ellison, and if you've just closed on your first home here in Silicon Valley, congratulations! You are a homeowner now, and not just a homeowner, but the CEO of your own little real estate empire. So start with security and safety. First up, before you even settle in, change the locks and update your garage codes. It sounds simple, but you never know who might still have a key from previous owners. Test all your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and replace batteries regularly. Speaking of safety, locate your water and gas shutoff valves. You don't want to hunt for them in an emergency. Routine HVAC and plumbing care. Your heating and cooling system is like the lungs of your home. In our Bay Area climate, clean or replace air filters every 1 to 3 months and schedule annual professional HVAC checkups. And don't forget to flush your water heater once a year. I just did mine recently. This prevents sediment buildup and helps it run more efficiently. Check under your sinks and all around your faucets for leaks. Catching small issues early can save you thousands of dollars. Next is gutter and exterior checks. In Silicon Valley, gutter maintenance is a big deal, thanks to our seasonal rains, especially just recently. Clean out gutters and downspouts at least twice a year to prevent water from seeping into your foundation. And while you're out there, inspect the exterior for cracks or gaps and seal them. This keeps out moisture and California creative critters like termites. Next is windows, doors, and energy efficiency. Drafty windows and doors can drive up your utility bills and make your home less comfortable. So walk around every season and look for air leaks or damaged weather stripping and repair them as needed. A little bit of caulking and weather stripping can go a long way toward keeping your home efficient, especially when enjoying those famous Bay Area breezes. Next is appliances and fire safety. Home fires often start in kitchens and laundry rooms, so clean your dryer lint trap and vent regularly. Vacuum refrigerator coils annually and give your dishwasher a deep clean. Keep multi-purpose fire extinguishers handy, one in the kitchen, maybe another in the garage. It's just best to be prepared. Next is budgeting for maintenance. Here's my pro tip. Set aside a maintenance budget about 1 to 3% of your home's value annually. This helps you tackle routine upkeep and those surprises that inevitably pop up. Routine maintenance isn't renovation. It's about keeping things tip-top shape, not fancy upgrades. Next is walking and observing. Lastly, make it a habit to walk around your home, inside and out, every month. Look for things that seem off, like leaks, unusual drafts or cracks, or even signs of pests. This regular check-in is how smart owners can catch problems before they become expensive headaches. Owning a home in Silicon Valley is a huge milestone, so take pride in the little things, invest in consistent care, and your property will love you back. If you found these tips helpful or have any questions about maintaining your new home, reach out to me anytime, even if you're just curious or need a trusted referral. I'm always here to educate and navigate. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insider real estate tips, and share with friends who are just starting their homeowner journey as well. As always, I'm Shannon Ellison, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. I'll see you next week.